Welcome back to part 2 of how to find the fastest and easiest way to find winning drop shipping products. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure that you do so. I'll have a link to it in the description, or I'll have an info card popping up on the screen right about now. But let's skip the fluff right into the good stuff. So, continuing where we left off on part 1, what you want to do, you want to come up here to facebook.com. Pretty sure you're on Facebook. Everybody's on Facebook. And like we did, same as last time, went up here, we typed in get yours now. Now the difference of what I did do, last time I left it on all, and then I went to post, but this time I went straight to the videos. And as you can see, I came out here, I chose 2019. So in the last video, we had a few videos that was from 2018. But as you can see, all these is from January. Yeah, look, check this out. This was 7 minutes ago. So yeah, all these is what has been posted in 2019 so far. But to follow up and finish the video that I didn't get to finish in part 1, we're going to continue with the dog mat. Yeah, so we're going to load up this video again, and we're going to follow the same steps. So as I did, I typed in get yours now, even though this says get offer now. We're just going to watch this video right here. It's showing the pains of the audience, of the viewer who's watching this. Obviously, there's certain times where they don't want the dog to come in or come bother their guests, their friends, their company, their parents, whoever's visiting them at that time. So you can just lift and walk. Discreet and super strong, holds up to 100 pounds. So this is applicable to those who have big dogs, small dogs, any kind of dog really. And as you can see, we watched the video. So now what we want to do, oh, I see dog gap is the page. Okay, that makes sense. So now that we've done that, we're going to come over here to AliExpress. And let's pretend that I didn't already had this typed in. So this for the fact, this is aliexpress.com. I'm going to type in dog cat. But as you've seen, that was the name of the profile who posted the video. So instead, we're going to type in dog gate. Click right here. Excuse me. Now we just wait for my computer to load up real fast. Alright, now as you can see, we have a lot of dog gates that popped up. A lot of them look similar to the video. But when you're using AliExpress, you do not want to use best match. You want to come over here. Once my computer loads, give it a few seconds. And we're going to click on orders. This is how I always select and choose when I'm choosing products that I want to test, sell, or if I found a product that's winning, I still want to come in and sort by orders, because this is what's being targeted the most, and this is the way that I can find the best supply that's best for what I'm trying to sell to the market. So as we can see, wow, this product's not really being tapped like that. But as we can see, this product is going for $7.40 to $8.30. It only has 2,000 orders. So what we want to do, we're going to come down here. The first thing I like to do when I decide on a new product, I like to get a feel for the product. As we see in the video, we seen the pain points of what it's having for those in the dog ownership niche, but we want to get a more in-depth, get just a general idea of what's really going on with the product. So I like to scroll through the pictures, but the main thing I like to focus on is the amount of days until it'll arrive to a customer. Because those of you who know about drop shipping, you know that that's one of the main factors that really we run into an issue with. So as you can see, it has multiple sizes. I'm assuming that this is the one that's $8.30. And come over here. Oh, they all the same price? Wow, that's a really good deal. But yeah, so about 23 days for shipping. But you can come over here. Could be a US supplier. No. But 23 days isn't too bad. And unless you really have like a brand store, you're doing Amazon FBA, I wouldn't really recommend that you go into the 5 to 8 day shipping. Unless you got a lot of money, then by all means go for it. But assuming that you're just getting started or you're intermediate and you're looking to build off that, I would recommend that you wouldn't. So if I can get this off the screen right here, it says that we're able to see the seller trust level is above average, 89%, more than 4 years of selling experience, high general feedback score, customer satisfied, product match description, high shipping speed, 2.67% of customers were dissatisfied. So out of 2,000 something orders, only 2.67% is dissatisfied with the product. And I'm willing to bet on that. So we're going to continue scrolling down. Yes, now that I got that out the way. As you can see here, this is the price history. So we're able to see the time of when they've increased the price and decreased. So as you can see, earlier in the year, around, oh wow, this is going back to last year, July 24th, 2018, it was $9. And then around, let's see the date, around January 1st, it cut back to $8. So that's a $1 down markup that they're doing. It's good for us. Then we come down here to the product description. If they have a description, you're welcome to use it. Not all the, I wouldn't recommend doing it with every product that you're doing. I definitely suggest that you learn how to copyright or begin writing subjects. But that's something that I'll make a video on moving forward later on. So as you can see, we got some nice pictures. Now, after I'm done looking at the pictures, the next thing that I want to do is I like to use, sorry, I just dropped my computer, but I like to go to feedback and get a general feel of how the audience that's already ordered this, what their response has been. Is it more positive than negative? As you can see, 66% give it 5 stars, 21% give it 4 stars, 6% 3 stars, 1% 2 stars, and 1 star 6%. So based off those margins, it's pretty good. You can see another thing I like to do, I like to look at how many times the product is being ordered within a couple of days. So as you can see here, the last time this was ordered was actually February 24th. Then it says January, then November, then February 8th. So it looks like this product's bouncing around. It looks like more of a hit or miss. But the good thing about the dog niche is that it's evergreen, which means that you can sell this year round. It's just not seasonal, or it's only good for one time. As most of y'all probably seen the Rose Bear, which did very good on Valentine's Day, but that's seasonal. It's only good around that one time. Now you can sell it to those in the couples niche, but the main priority of that product was for Valentine's Day. Versus this, everyone, I say 1 out of 3 people typically tends to have a dog, so that you're more than likely able to sell this to at least 1 out of every 3 people, as long as you know that they're a dog owner, whether that's male or female. But that's another video that we'll have to cover in another day. This is how the fastest and easiest way for you to find winning products using Facebook. Once again, I appreciate you for spending your time with me. As always, this has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them below in the comment section. Within the first 24 hours of the video, I will be responding back to everybody. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. It should be somewhere around the lines of about right here. And hit that notification bell. I'm back on my daily content grind. I'm uploading videos daily. Leave your thoughts below. Tell me, have you tried this method before? I'm pretty sure some of you may or may not have seen this. I'm looking to get more in depth as I continue to reopen my store in e-commerce. As some of you know, February is the Chinese New Year, so I haven't really been able to get fixated. But seeing that we're coming on the last few days of February, I'm trying to get myself back into that mindset of getting ready for e-commerce drop shipping through using Shopify. Definitely looking forward to producing good videos for y'all. Other than that, this has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. I appreciate you spending time with me. Make sure you have a good day, good afternoon, good evening. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay hungry, take action.